I am embarking on a journey for bigger biceps. That'll be biceps every day for 30 days. I'll measure at the beginning today, and after 30 days, we'll see the difference. I'll put that at the end. Gonna be doing it at night before bed. I'll do my 15s workout. So that's a set of 15, and then 3 sets of 5 with 5 seconds rest in between. So that's 15 reps and then 15 more broken up in sets of 5. Stick with me through this journey. You'll see the results at the end, and day 1 starts tonight. Half inch? I'll take it. But you wouldn't believe what happened in my 30-day resting squat challenge. My adjustable dumbbells and the other equipment I used are linked in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links, so if you click on them and make a purchase, I get a small commission at no extra charge to you. Comment below what you think my next challenge should be. I'll see you there.